This is Amit Kumar. I've been living in Canada for like past 6-7 years, and I've always had prominent ears, so and like that looked kind of weird, so I thought autoplasty would be the good solution, and I met Dr. Rajat Gupta, and like I couldn't be happier. Now I see the results. I'm like 9-10 days post surgery, and like I'm absolutely happy. As I said, like I always had prominent ears, so that that would kind of go too much on sideways, so that's why I would always had a cap on or something, like just to keep them hidden, or maybe a long hair. But now, since I have I have the perfect shape of my ears, I can have the short cut, or kind of scalp. I can see my scalp and still my ears won't look weird, so I'm very happy with that. So on the day of surgery, firstly Dr. Gupta made me very comfortable about the surgery, explained everything about the procedure and all, and with the local anesthesia, I really didn't feel anything. Like I could hear anything, but I really didn't feel anything because everything was numb. And just after it was about an hour surgery, and after the procedure I went straight home, and I took painkillers for a couple of days, but I really didn't feel anything. Just a bit of discomfort and itching for the first couple of days, but that's about it. Nothing major. For the people who are concerned about how they look, so I would definitely recommend Dr. Rajat Gupta. He's the guy for everyone who is looking for autoplasty, and I would recommend him for every procedure he does, because he's best at what he does.